Hi, this is Polyven Teachers and I am Sagurika Banerjee. Welcome back to my channel where learning becomes fun. So today I am going to take lesson number 2 from the book Beehive. This is the book, I think you know everybody, and this is a chapter taken from the syllabus of class 9 CBSE syllabus English language and literature. Watch this video till the end. So this chapter, lesson number 2, the sound of music. This chapter has been divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 has been written by Deborah Colley. So let us dive into this chapter. This first part of this chapter is about Evelyn Glennie, who is a Scottish musician. What is remarkable about her? She lost her sense of hearing at the age of 11. तो आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं एक 11 साल की बच्ची को धीरे धीरे ये एहसास होता है कि उसको सुनाई कम दे रहा है एंड एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम शी लॉस्ट हर hearing but she did not lose her courage, her determination. She became world's famous musician. How could she do that? In this chapter, we will study about Evelyn's struggle and success. When Evelyn was 11 years old, her doctor said that she would not be able to become a musician. This was a major setback to her. But she realized that she could understand the music through vibrations. Vibrations? How? Like whenever the music was played, she could understand it through the vibrations of her hands, her feet, her cheekbones and other body parts. तो उसको म्यूजिक वाइब्रेशन के जरिए समझ में आती थी and this helped her to achieve success in her life. Now we have to understand one thing, that she did not give up when this major setback happened in her life. उसने गिव अप नहीं किया, उसने बल्कि अपना दृढ़ संकल्प जारी रखा. She did not lose hope. Instead, she continued. She became more determined. She worked very hard and she did not leave her passion. This is a major thing which we all need to understand. What she did, she got herself admitted in Royal Academy of Music in London, जहां बड़े बड़े म्यूजिशियंस को एडमिशन नहीं मिलता था, एवलिन को एडमिशन मिला. एंड देन हर जर्नी स्टार्टेड. उसने उस पर इतनी मेहनत की. शी बिकेम अ फेमस percussionist. Now what do you understand by percussionist? Percussionist is a musician who can play on tabla, on drum and on other musical instruments. तो वो ये बनी और उसको अगर म्यूजिक सुनाई नहीं देता तो वो कैसे कर सकती थी? This is a major thing we need to understand. She practiced a lot. उसने इतनी प्रैक्टिस की, इतना हार्ड वर्क किया that she finally became successful. She won many awards for her music. And in many of the places, she gave her free concerts, like in prisons for the prisoners to entertain them, in hospitals for the patients. She became a very big example for all the deaf students. जिनको सुनाई नहीं देता, उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी एग्जाम्पल बनी. And this is not only for the deaf children. I must say this is for all of us, that one should not leave his or her passion. अगर आप में पैशन है, अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं जीवन में, तो आप हार्ड वर्क को साथ रखिए, परसिस्टेंट रहिए, यानी कि डिटरमिन्ड रहिए, कंटिन्यूअस काम करते रहिए एंड नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू टू अचीव योर सक्सेस. अब आते हैं चैप्टर से हमें क्या शिक्षा मिली, क्या टेक अवे था. So the takeaway of this chapter is hard work and passion can break all barriers and help you to achieve success in your life. So this is all about the chapter, the part 1 of The Sound of Music, which was on Evelyn Glennie. Now coming to the second part of the chapter, ये एक महान म्यूजिशियन के ऊपर था जिनका नाम था उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खां. उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खां is a synonymous of Shehnai. Shehnai is a musical instrument. You can see in the picture given in your book. एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खां made it every effort to give this शहनाई a place in Indian classical music. अब इस Indian classical music का एक part बन गया है. You know, initially, previous years, long time back, शहनाई was only an instrument to be played in either in temples or on some wedding occasions. Ustad Bismillah Khan took it on the global level. ग्लोबल लेवल पे ले गए और इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को एक दर्जा दिया, एक स्टेटस दिया इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक में. व्हाट इज देयर इन स्टोर फॉर अस इन दिस चैप्टर? लेट्स जस्ट नो इट. Bismillah Khan was born in a family of musicians in Bihar. From an early age, he had deep interest in music, and this led him to his passion or love for the Shehnai. This Shehnai was being played in his family only, and he heard it and he was so much influenced by it that he wanted to put it on the global level, and he worked very hard for this. His dedication to music was unmatched. He was the person who played Shehnai on India's Independence Day, first Independence Day in 1947, and that too from Red Fort. Ustad Bismillah Khan got this prestigious award, Bharat Ratna, which is considered to be the highest civilian award. उनको भारत रत्न से नवाजा गया है. Despite all the fame he got, he remained humble and attached to the roots. He loved the city of Varanasi and he decided never to leave it. You know, once he got an offer from America that he should go there and start a school over there. He was offered huge sum of money. उन्हें बहुत ज्यादा पैसे का ऑफर मिला था कि वो विदेश में जाकर एक नया सेटअप करे म्यूजिक कॉलेज का, लेकिन उन्होंने मना कर दिया because he wanted to stay in his country, that is India, and that too in the religious city of Varanasi, and he breathed his last there only. So this was all about the story of Ustad Bismillah Khan. The key takeaway from this story is that true passion is greater than fame and wealth. अगर कोई इंसान बहुत ज्यादा पैशनेट है अपनी किसी स्किल के लिए, तो उसके लिए फेम और द फेम दैट मीन्स पॉपुलैरिटी और वेल्थ कोई मायने नहीं रखता. So this is all about the story of Ustad Bismillah Khan, which happens to be the second part of this chapter, The Sound of Music. अब मैं क्लास 9th के स्टूडेंट्स को एग्जाम टिप्स के बारे में बताना चाहूंगी. इस चैप्टर में उन्हें क्या फोकस करना चाहिए? Evelyn Glennie's way of experiencing her problems and her struggles. Second part is Bismillah Khan's contribution to Indian classical music, right? And the third part which every student should focus from this chapter is themes of perseverance, passion and dedication. These are 3 pointers which class 9 students should focus on while reading this chapter and preparing for the exam. ये तीनों pointers पर आप इस chapter को याद रखें, इतना ही काफी है आपके एग्जाम के प्रिपरेशन के लिए. I hope you have understood this chapter through this video. If you have understood this chapter well, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Polyban Teachers, and do let me know the questions you have in your mind. I will try my level best to answer all your questions. So till I bring more videos, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. With no strings.